Hi there, Stuart Benjamin Company Jewelry Designs. Welcome back to our tech department today. So what we're showing you through our gem microscope up on the screen is a ring that lost the marquee. And as you see that we have a couple prongs that are very, very thin. And what we offer here at Stuart Benjamin Company Jewelry Designs is we offer the latest in technology so you could see what kind of repair work is going to be done. And we'll go over it with you, and we would actually could take a picture of it and email it to you before we even start the work. So at Stuart Benjamin Company Jewelry Designs, it's about our customer first, just to let you know what needs to be done, because what is beyond the eye, we could find at Stuart Benjamin Jewelry Design.